Welcome to a powerful gathering of some of the most determined, driven, and visionary individuals in the country today. Unsung heroes whose courage is fueled by the hunger to persevere and prosper. Quiet achievers who have achieved personal success. Filipinos who stand as an inspiration for other Filipinos by clearing their own path and charting their own destiny as business owners and entrepreneurs. Their secret? That powerful mix of hard work, perseverance, and passion for excellence. We call it Masigasig.
Siguro pag sinabing masigasig, tipong ito yung masipag, di ba? Eating, no? Something na proud of what he's doing.
Gustong-gusto ko yung word na masigasig because it connotes yung pagkamasinop ng isang tao. Kailangang magaling, mapagpunyagi.
Taong may determinasyon sa buhay, may goals, may pangarap, masipag, masikap.
It's not just zeal, but it's also parang perseverance, kasama na rin yung pagtsatsaga. So, para sa akin, masigasig is a term that's very applicable in business.
One gathering, one meeting of minds, one marketplace of ideas and insights, all under one roof, all in one event. Welcome to Masigasig, the Negosyo Tour 2007.
I have to make a product na pwede natin pagmalaki. By doing that also at the same time, helping the coconut farmers.
Deep down, I have this desire to be able to make a difference, to be able to help our country in whatever way I can.
Sa naranasan namin sa buhay namin, talagang kailangan maging masigasig ka para makaawang ka sa hirap.
I wanted a product na medyo it will cater to all ages. Magaan ba? Parang makasmile ka lang palagi.
The Filipino business owner is a unique individual. Whether the business he runs is micro, small, or medium in size, he is driven by the same big dream of success. The entrepreneur is a visionary. He starts with a dream and spends the rest of his time striving to make it a reality. But becoming a business owner takes more than just dreaming. It takes a lot of doing. It takes guts and tough work to take command of things and make even the simplest decisions. It takes foresight and energy to predict what might happen and to prepare for the changes and challenges ahead. Today, more and more Filipinos are choosing to become entrepreneurs. For some, it is a natural progression. For others, it is a big leap into the unknown. We're here to help you.
I think every businessman or entrepreneur faces challenges every day.
Nandun yung worry ko, hindi ko alam kung tama yung proseso ng peanut butter. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako marunong gumawa ng peanut butter. Siyempre, lumalakas.
Siguro yung mga first 5 years, mas talagang struggle, no? Hindi siya madali. Una-una, kapital na lang. Hindi maganda kadaling kumuha ng kapital, no? Sariling kayod kayo.
From meeting the payroll when the sales are not so good, or meeting the orders when the orders are so many na, you know, parang kulang na lang magtatabaho pa kami on Sunday just to meet all the orders.
Maraming nagsasabi sa akin na ang binabangga ko, malalaking kumpanya, multinational.
Alam mo, sa business, pag walang challenges o failures o mistakes, corny yun eh. Dapat talaga marami kang mistakes, marami kang failure, marami kang challenges. That's the only way an entrepreneur will keep on moving. No?
You have to have that lakas ng loob and you have to have that patience to ride out all the bumps on the road that you will always experience when you're in business.
So whether you're starting out as an entrepreneur or starting to think about growing or expanding your business, the Masigasig Negosyo Tour is here to help you get right on track. With seminars that will answer your most basic questions and get you up to date on all the latest trends in business and technology. With live one-on-one consultation with business experts. With one-of-a-kind promotions and business opportunities, all under one roof.
You know, I am always proud to say that my biggest inspiration has always been my relationship with God, because it puts a meaning and a purpose to all the things that I do.
Sasabi ko, ito yung plano ng nasa taas. Dati kong hiniling na pambayad lang ng sariling utang. Ang binigay niya, hindi lang pansariling utang. Mas nakabayad ako ng utang, yung mga tao, nagkaroon ng hanap buhay.
The passion in me. Sa akin kasi gusto ko ipakita sa bayan natin, sa mga kapwa Pilipino ko, na kaya natin gumawa ng produkto. Kaya natin gumawa ng magandang produkto.
A chance to be able to show what we are capable of doing, be proud of it.
Ang isang entrepreneur, talagang 24 hours parang gising ka. No? Kahit na natutulog ka na, yung utak mo ma-under pa eh. So isa sa mga traits natin to na hindi ka takot na magkamali. No? Kung magkamali ka alam mo, ito ay just to learn from your experience. No? You just have to keep on moving.
Just to describe it, parang sinasabi ko na mas kinaharangan ka ng sibat, diretso ka pa rin.
Pagkakamali ka, bangon ka ulit. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. No?
Brought to you by Globe Business, leader in technology and innovation, giving people the power, ease, and convenience that does more than help them keep in touch. Here at Masigasig, you'll find that it keeps you in touch with your business and your customers too, with powerful new products, tools, and the technology you'll want to apply to your business to help you achieve what you've always dreamt of achieving.
Siguro sa na-encounter namin ngayon na pag-unlad, talagang kakailanganin namin na expansion kasi sa dami ng distributor na gustong mag-distribute ng Aegis Peanut Butter.
Alam mo, isang entrepreneur pag walang dream, sabi natin nag-stop na siya. No? We are still a dreamer, no? Visionary kami. We look for opportunities. No? Gusto namin everyday meron tayong bagong gagawin. No?
What I would want for my business is that we will be able to go public at some time in the future, so that we can get bigger and more people have a chance to see and participate in this exciting journey that we're going through.
I want this product to be known worldwide as a Filipino product. This is not a product of Rick Mactal. This should be the product of the Filipino people.
We have another 10 years program na masasabi natin will not only expand the company but also the brands. No? Siguro we can diversify not only food but also services.
From ordinary bakeries, tas sa mga kilalang bake shop na ngayon, tas ngayon, yung malaking challenge sa amin, yung pagpasok namin sa SM Supermarket tsaka export.
I'm dreaming big, but I'm taking baby steps in that direction to make sure that everything is done properly. Kasi ang mahirap dyan is if you go too fast and then you find you're not ready for it, parang sayang yung efforts.
Growth, expansion, diversification, longevity. Businesses may change, but their projected future has always been the same. But today's world makes for a different landscape. There are new ways to develop your business, new ways to tell your market about it, and most importantly, new ways to profit from it.
Definitely, no? Sa akin kasi, nung na-feature ako dun sa magazine, doon ko na-realize na ang laki pala na maitutulong ng Masigasig.
Bibigyan ka ng lakas ng loob, bibigyan ka ng skills. It will give you all the tools that you need to be able to survive in our market environment and maybe even go global.
Itong program ng Globe and Masigasig, tuloy-tuloy at malaki ang naitutulong sa mga SME.
Parang nagbago lahat yung nakikita ko, parang bumilis kagad, dumali.
This is that venue for us to be able to participate in what's happening, not just in the Philippines, but also learn from what's happening abroad and be able to apply it here.
Malaking tulong sa maliit na negosyanteng katulad namin at makakatulong din sa mga tao na ma-share ko sa kanila yung nag-iistorya ng buhay namin.
Talagang ang exposure na ginawa ng Masigasig para sa akin, napakalaki.
Na yung sa hirap, na hindi pa lahat lang yung kahirapan, makakamit mo yung tagumpay, basta magtiwala lang sa Panginoon. Work hard lang talaga.
Masigasig brings together business owners, business leaders, and Globe to create a powerful event and build a powerful community. We've worked hard to put this together because we know you've worked hard to get where you are. It's all here. It's all for you. It's happening right now. At Masigasig, we're dedicated to giving you all the answers. And at Globe, we're committed and inspired to help the Filipino entrepreneur.
Basta't masigasig, posible ang asenso. Mga masigasig, saludo kami.